time, had the patience of Mother Nature. If only I was wiser when I first discovered paper. If only Martin Luther never stayed at the Lorraine Hotel, should he still be alive and well? Shout out my Yo Gotti, that's my Memphis connect. He always put his on, and so I give him respect. My right wrist Audemars, left wrist a Protect. The ox court, throw this in cassette tape. I went to Westlake High where death rates rise, and some people go on to waste the rest they lives. I go back every now and then to check they vibes. The rest of my classmates working tech-based jobs. I just bought a Range Rover and did a song with Nas. In the belly of the beast where the strong survive. Try and move past the lows and prolong the highs. But still I rise. Yeah. You know, it's times like this in life where we just gotta relish in the moment, man, and cherish these moments, dawg. Cause like, I made it, man, and it's not like it's a surprise or anything, but I'm just gonna live in this moment and be present at this time, though. I'ma be doing this music at the absolute highest level for a long time, man, as long as I want to. And that's all I try to do, man, is give y'all my life and everything from a bird's eye view. Though, we must remember that the mantra, the way of life is always everything high level. And also, I wanna dedicate this out to my grandmother, my late grandmother, God rest her soul, Janet Dunstan. She was on my last album singing the interludes, dog, and man, I miss that woman so much. But I'm gonna be here for a long time, man, as long as I wanna do this. Everything high level.